All right, guys, we are back on another episode of Girl, You Got Another Pair of Shoes? I'm joking. I'm not really. I did get another pair of shoes. A pair of boots, to be exact. So, first of all, sorry if I'm about to butcher this name. Luciano's Amor? Amor? Like armoire, I guess. Luciano's Amor. That's the best we don't get. If I butchered your name, I am so sorry. Okay, let's get into these boots, guys. I waited a hot second to get my hands on these. I went to New York Fashion Week this year and I had a hit of amazing looks. One of my looks, I will pull it up for you guys. Possibly right here. Do you see me? This look was like a lot of back and forth. A lot of people didn't like it. A lot of people loved it. I loved it. I feel like in fashion, high fashion, whatever, you have to take risks. And when the stylist that I was using in New York, Kaylin, she pulled this for me, I looked at it and absolutely, hands down, was like, yes, we're gonna go with that. So I wore these boots in the black and white, absolutely loved them, like told the designer that I needed to have them. But then when I went on the website, I saw them in this color. So unbox these boots with me. Look at this. You want a boot? I'm going to give you a boot. This boot is more than half my size. If it would allow, if it could, it would come up to my waist. But hands down, I think you guys already know that I am obsessed with thigh-high boots, and I'm only 5'3", 5'4" at max sometimes, you know. But listen, like the black were a hit, but these brown, oh, I can't wait to get these off. First of all, I can't wait to wear these, but to sit courtside at a game with my legs crossed and my feet up, killer. You guys just don't know what boots, high heels do to me. I mean, I think you guys do at this point, right? You know, we gotta try these on. I gotta try these on with you guys, but this, sick. This is one nasty, pornographic boot. I would say it gets no nastier than this, but I'm pretty sure there is something just sitting, waiting for me to buy it that is super nasty. Let's try these on. When I say do me dirty, this is exactly what I mean. These boots are such a statement. I love a good statement. Like, I can't lie. Of course, my shoe gummies are gonna go on the bottom of these. Gotta get the comfort. Listen, when I can look good and feel good, wear my heels and be comfortable, that's all I need. This is so much boot. Whew, all right, trying on boots for the job. Oh my gosh. Help me. All right, we almost there. This booch is in this booch is a booch. Kick this one up. Ooh, all right, let's stand up. Listen, if y'all could see what I could see, it's slippery. I can't wait to wear these. The texture, the detail. Sometimes like I think, that's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too much. And then I correct myself. If I wear this with an off-white bathing suit, bathing suits, bodysuit, killing it. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Get into this detail. Just disgusting. I can't wait to wear these.